Tondo Medical Center, TMC. Tough, motivation, compassion. Ang pagpili ng isang pampublikong hospital for internship ay isang tough decision. Usually kasi, interns want to go to private hospital para chill, ganyan. Pero we did our internship here. Idagdag pa natin ang fear of not knowing. Kumbaga, may mga kasama ko rito na hindi nakarotate sa TMC for clerkship. Isama na rin natin yung image na madedepict mo once you heard Tondo. Pero iba ang Tondo Medical Center. Dito, mas naging tough ako. Mas naging tough tayo. Mas natuto ako kung paano makiharap sa iba't ibang klase ng tao. Mas na-practice ko ang grace under pressure, lalo na sa ER. Presence of mind sa isang chaotic city. Habang tumatagal, na-realize ko kung gaano ka-diverse ang mga cases dito sa TMC. At kung gaano ka-importante na matutong mag-adjust sa bawat unique situations ng mga pasyente natin. It's not just about surviving, but learning how to thrive in the chaos. It wasn't just about the personal goals, kundi it was about surviving together, learning as a team, and growing from every duty. Diba? How tough we are to just keep on going duties after duties. How tough we are to face the ones we feared, Tondo. Ngayon, iba na ang naiisip ko sa Tondo. Hindi na siya fear or takot. Instead, pride na ngayon ang nararamdaman ko. Toughness, resilience, at growth. Naging tough kami dito, hindi lang dahil sa pagsubok, kundi natutunan namin kung paano magpursige. I can still remember my first ER shift. My first rotation was internal medicine. So, ang daming nangyayari sabay-sabay. Then, may nag-code. Sobrang shocked ako. Pero, naramdaman ko yung supporta ng mga seniors ko at mga competent nurses around me. Natutunan ko na kahit anong mangyari, kailangan magstay focused. Hindi ko alam ang lahat, pero natutunan ko magtiwala sa mga tao around me. Motivation doesn't always come from knowing everything. Sometimes it comes from pushing through with what you have and believing that you'll learn along the way. Habang tumatagal, natutunan ko na ang motivation hindi lang galing sa pagnanais maging magaling, kundi sa commitment na magpatuloy kahit na sa pinakamahirap na araw. Hindi kami pwedeng sumuko, laging may push forward. Kahit na paulit-ulit nating sinasabi na, ayoko na, bakit ba kasi ako nandito? Tondo didn't just teach me how to be tough. It taught me how to find motivation in the small wins. Yung mga times na kahit pagod ka na, kahit gusto mo na mag-give up, nandun pa rin yung desire to push forward because you know that the work you're doing matters. Here, you see patients who rely on your skills, on your presence of mind. It's about learning and improving with every shift. And the best part, you see your growth not just in your medical knowledge, but in your ability to face difficult situations with confidence and perseverance. And that's what kept me going. Kung madadaan po kayo sa ating OPD, makikita nyo ang different walks of life ng mga tao. Bawat araw dito, ipapaalala kung paano ang pagkabilog ng buhay. May mga iba't ibang antas ng buhay na makikita dito. May mga mayayaman, may mahihirap, may mga natatakot, at may mga puno ng pag-asa. There were also moments when patients would share their stories, not just about their illness, but their struggles in life too. It wasn't easy to hear, but it was an eye-opening. Back when I was rotating sa OB, we had this one patient na may congenital heart disease. Nanganak siya but was unstable after. Sobrang lungkot niya kasi hindi niya pa talaga nakikita ang asawa niya at nakakasama ang anak niya. So we tried to contact her family secretly. However, they weren't answering that time kasi alanganin yung oras. Sabi ko noon, sige po, next duty ko tatawag ulit ako para makapag-usap sila kahit saglit lang. However, our patient passed away. And then, this week lang, yung partner niya nag-reach out sa akin, updating me that they're still holding up and doing good. I began to understand that compassion isn't just about offering physical care. It's also about being present, truly listening, and recognizing the humanity in every person you meet. When you show empathy and try to understand their pain, that's when the connection is made, and healing happens on a deeper level. Habang tinitingnan ko ang bawat pasyente sa ulo, ba't ibang kwento? na-realize ko kung paano tayo ka-blessed na nasa posisyon tayo na makakatulong. At kahit na ang daming challenges, it's the compassion we show that keeps us going. Dito ko natutunan na hindi sapat ang pagiging competent lang. Kailangan mo ring mahalin ang ginagawa mo at mga taong tinutulungan mo. On a lighter note, naalala ko tuloy, alam niyo ho ba yung meme sa Facebook? Typically raw habang tumatagal at mas nagiging senior ka, mas lumalaki ang belly fat. For me kasi, since nag-level up naman na from clerk to PGI, true siya. Paano ba naman? Magre-refer lang po ako sa Opta, Pato at ENT, may merienda na ako. Magpapa-initials lang po ako, meron pang snacks at coffee sa radio. Magpapa-restrat at medieval lang, may pa-dinner pa sa IM. Minsan, mapapadaan lang ako sa Pedia, mapapakain agad ako ng foods. Minsan, tatawagin na rin kami ng mga residents from surgery, OB at ANES para kumain. Tapos pag weekly conference, maraming pagkain kagaya ng sa Derma at sa FAMED. Sama ko na rin po yung Petro for always feeding me at mga ER nurses natin. Diba, busog. Hindi lang po kami sa pagkain na busog. Busog din sa learnings and memories. Remember, batch kasi nagtala nung first days natin sa mga rotation natin. Medyo culture shock talaga tayo sa patients. Nakakasalubong natin yung isa't isa at sasabihin, B, ayoko na. Pero until now, we're still saying it. Diba? Yung kaba natin nun sa IV insertion sa pedia patients, first CPR, first suture, first intubation, yung first Zumba, and the first mother, sige, ire. Diba? Ang dami nang nangyari from our first ayaw ko na. Then we also had our team building and our Mr. and Miss Gay. We managed our time despite being on duty, which nag-contribute greatly to us as a team and also to our contestants who performed. I know it wasn't easy, but you guys managed to grace the stage and made everyone proud. I hope that helped your confidence that can be used for our future endeavors. It may not be smooth, but I know we learned a lot from these experiences. I remember when I was in the exploratory laparotomy surgery, a resident shared a quote, "We may be delayed, but we're not denied." Albahera 2025. Ayan Dok ha, sinabi ko na po, wag po kayo magtatampo. Which fits us. Before entering our internship, there were delays. There were lots of struggles. It wasn't easy, but still, dinala pa rin tayo kung saan tayo dapat. Kung saan tayo mag-grow at magiging masaya. So thank you talaga Tondo Medical Center for accepting and giving us a wonderful and colorful experience. I can still remember, during our meeting the Avance, I was asked, if you lose, would you still support the projects of the PGIA? I answered, hindi po ako papayag matalo. To my PGIA family, thank you for standing and creating memories with me and the rest of the batch. It was such a roller coaster ride, but we did our best and made our event successful. Thank you guys. I'm so proud of you all. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To our PO, especially Dr. Ruel Aquino and Dr. Shael Soleta, thank you for guiding us po, lalo na nung unang nangangapa ho kami sa mga gagawin. Thank you so much for all the learnings, may it be related sa projects or medical consults. To our dear consultants and residents, we appreciate all your medical and life learnings that we will carry outside TMC and to our future practice. To my Petro family, thank you for always listening to me, to my most random chika too, guiding me while we execute our projects. You have always been there for me and the rest of the PGIAs and our interns. Thank you so much po sa lahat. Maraming salamat and I will miss you all po. To Dr. Matubang, may ninong. Thank you so much, Doc, for accepting me and the rest of the batch to TMC. Lagi niyo pong tanong, why TMC? Well, why not, diba? But if you'll ask me now, Doc Nats, TMC is home. We grew from little weaklings to strong PGIs. Maybe it's the Tondo air, but mainly because of the wonderful people around us who shape us become who we are today. I know, Doc, love and proud po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat po ulit. To my dear batch sinagtala, na kaya natin ang Tondo Medical Center. Wala tayong hindi kakayanin sa life. Let's bring our learnings, challenges we've overcome, and everything in between to the world. I hope now that we've seen our patients' life struggles, the daily life in healthcare, the loss and the wins, sana we'll be more aware of the social issues and health issues of our country. Let's continue to strive and be the best version of ourselves. Let's be the doctor we want to treat our own family, and let's be our own leader of change. And sana, let's not be the monster we want to slay. To my non-med friends, especially wet dogs, salamat sa pakikinig sa akin and always adjusting to my schedule. Love you guys. And lastly, to my family, surprise! I'm on the stage and delivering a speech. Hindi po kasi nila alam na I am the batch president. Kaya nanay, tatay, ate, kuya Angelo, ate Vanessa, kay Sir Noah, Claire, Kisha, Lola Ada, and RJ, I hope I made you all proud. Thank you for your unwavering support to this very magastos and tiring dream of mine. To get here, it wasn't easy. Kasi hindi naman kami mayaman. Kaya thank you kasi I never felt any pressure from you guys. All I received was love and support. I will continue to come home and share how my day went with the most interesting cases I see. I can't wait for my turn to support you. Another graduation done! Ayan. I know all parents and guardians are super proud sa ating lahat. Pasensya na ko kung madalas kaming absent sa gatherings or medyo grumpy kami pagpagod. And to our Almighty Creator, thank you for your endless love, mercy, and strength you provide. We're excited to take what we have learned into the future and always remembering your presence along the way. As an end, I want to share my motto. Nothing worth having comes easy. Walang madali. We have overcome countless nights of studying, graduated to spending hours of duties, attending patients, kahit tayo na mismo yung nakadek sa ER at nakaswero. Now that we're graduating, we will face our board exam. I want you guys to remember that motto and that I am rooting for each and every one of you. Pag binabalikan ko lahat ng naranasan ko sa TMC, mas napansin ko kung gaano ako nag-grow. Toughness in the face of challenges and compassion for people in need. Na-realize ko na sa medisina, hindi lang tungkol sa skills at knowledge, kundi tungkol din sa pagiging naroroon para sa tao. Whether pasyente, pamilya o kasama mong health workers, minsan ang pagtulong hindi lang laging medical care. Minsan, listening, understanding, or kahit simpleng presence lang ng isang tao. Tondo made me tough. Tondo motivated me. Tondo made me more compassionate. And I hope yun ang maging guide natin as we move forward in our medical journey.